Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Start with clean, dry hair that is at least 6 inches long before beginning. Wash with a residue-free shampoo and rinse thoroughly to remove oils. Avoid heavy conditioners and oil buildup for 2 weeks before you start locking. Comb only to detangle gently, then stop to allow natural clumping. Sectioning should be visual and minimal, not tight parting. Tight parts encourage uniform dread sizes and reduce the freeform look you are aiming for. Let strands naturally mat and knot over time. Visible knots usually appear within 2 to 12 weeks. Use gentle shaking and light palm rolling to encourage clumping without forcing shape. Separate conjoined sections carefully with fingers when necessary to maintain airflow and avoid mold. Avoid backcombing or frequent crochet work unless correcting large, loose sections. Accept uneven thickness and varying lengths as part of the wash your dreads with a residue-free shampoo every 1 to 2 weeks to keep the scalp healthy. Dry thoroughly after washing using absorbent towels and air or low heat to a completely dry state. Sleep with a satin scarf or pillowcase to reduce friction and frizz overnight. Trim loose fuzzy ends sparingly to maintain shape without undermining natural growth. Use targeted grooming like a single hook crochet only for stubborn loose hairs, and avoid overwork that prevents deep, long maturation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.